Hello everyone, and thank you for crafting with me today. We are going to be etching glass. In order to do this, you will need a laptop with updated Cricut software, a Cricut machine. I will be using the Cricut Explorer, a Cricut weeder and spatula and cutting mat, non-permanent vinyl, transfer paper. I prefer to use clear contact paper because of the low cost, the glass of your choice, Armour etch, and a paintbrush. I prefer the foam kind. The first step is creating and cutting your logo. I already have my logo imported into Cricut Design Space. If you choose to use a logo instead of plain text, if you click on Upload Images, there's a step-by-step process that the program walks you through. Once you have your image and it is the size you are wanting, I'm wanting mine to be a little smaller, about 2 inches wide, so I adjusted it down. Once your logo is the size you want it, you will click on the green Go button at the top. This will take you to the preview screen of where it will cut on your mat. If you do not want to use a whole piece of vinyl, just position the piece that you want where you're placing your vinyl on the mat. You will then click on Go in the bottom right corner. Now I will show you things in 2 different videos that correspond with each other. First, you'll be on the screen where it ensures your Cricut is connected, set to the right position, and then you will click the Go button on your Cricut machine. Now I will show you the other side of those steps. First, I will take my piece of vinyl that I have cut to be just slightly larger than my logo size I'm wanting cutting. I added about 1/2 inch on all sides. Position the vinyl on the mat where you want it to cut. Next, smooth out any bubbles that have appeared on the vinyl. You want a very smooth cutting surface. Then you will load the mat into the machine using the double arrow button on the Cricut. Once you follow the loading steps and the steps on the computer, the machine will begin cutting. The more detailed the cut, the longer it takes. I always watch the cutting process carefully so that I can cancel it if it starts to go badly. Once your cut is done, you will have to push the double arrow button to release the mat. Please keep watching to see the link that will take you to step 2, preparing your stencil and applying it to the glass.